man who cleaned the king's hole for 28 years. Yes, you read that right. There was a man whose job was to clean King Henry Oitau's private parts daily for nearly 3 decades. This man was Sir William Compton, the king's childhood friend, who ended up becoming his most intimate servant, literally. The position was called Groom of the Stool, something like the royal toilet attendant, and believe it or not, it was one of the most coveted positions at court. It may sound absurd, but controlling the king's most private moments meant direct access to power, wealth, and political influence. Henry Oitau didn't make life easy for Compton. The monarch had an insatiable appetite, devouring massive banquets until he fell ill. And guess what? It was Compton's duty to ensure the king was properly cleaned after each visit to the throne. Despite the unglamorous nature of the job, Compton remained by the king's side for 28 years, witnessing his paranoia, multiple marriages, and betrayals. Fascinated by this topic? Amazing royal stories. Subscribe now to our channel and uncover other shocking secrets that official history tried to hide.